today we are at Fink Park, which is on Route 66 in Edmond, and it's a big day. We've been planning for this for at least 2 years. So the Route 66 Centennial Commission gave a grant to 42 communities across the state of Oklahoma for 6-foot Route 66 shields. And as you can see in the background, we got ours today. This was extra special because every community got to design their own. So we had a committee of tourism leaders and Edmond lovers, and we got together and picked the iconic things on Route 66 that are most special to Edmond. For example, the Blue Hippo, UCO, the one-room schoolhouse, the Uncommon Ground Sculpture Park coming in 2027, and of course, Arcadia Lake. We're gonna have it lit up at night, which is exciting, so that residents and visitors can come by anytime and take a selfie. We encourage you to post it on social with hashtag EdmondOn66 and enjoy this Fink Park like you have every other season, but now you get something new and exciting and vibrant to enjoy.